What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to be talking about some potential trade setups for Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as some big news for any European traders who are using Binance. But before we get into that, if at any point you enjoy this video, please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and turning on my post notifications. Really appreciate all the support I'm getting, everybody. Still a super small channel, so any amount of support goes an extremely long way. Thank you, guys. Alright, so let's start off with Bitcoin here. Bitcoin has broken bearish out of this ascending triangle formation that it was forming. And so far, it has found pretty strong support here at about 38.4. On the 1 hour, if you look, we did get a hammer candle here, which signifies that there is lots of buying pressure here for Bitcoin. And the DBSI numbers are looking good for Bitcoin right now. We got a 22, 23 on the bull side. So although we broke bearish out of this ascending triangle formation, there is still always the possibility that the buyers are able to push it back up through this triangle and to their target of about 41 to 42K. But that could be a bit of a stretch. What I would really be looking for is if we can continue down here past some of these support levels, maybe a good shorting opportunity. As I said in my video yesterday, we have strong support here at 36.4. Another area of strong support here at 33.7. And we have a CME gap that might need to be filled at 32.5. So if we start plunging through these support levels, Bitcoin may be on the way to fill this CME gap, might be a good shorting opportunity. If you look at the daily volume, it's kind of doing exactly what I said it might do in my video yesterday. It is not necessarily curving away from the zero line, but it looks like it's kind of moving parallel to it right now. Like I said, once this daily money flow crosses over the zero line, we will probably get a substantial pump from Bitcoin, as we have seen from the 4-hour money crossover and the 8-hour. When the money flow crosses over is when we get these violent pumps. So that is another thing to watch closely. If Bitcoin keeps moving in a positive direction, we may get this daily money flow crossover, and that could lead us to a much bigger pump. Now moving over to Ethereum. Ethereum is looking stronger than Bitcoin right now. It has not yet broken out of the bullish trend that it is in right now. If you look on the 4-hour, the momentum wave is currently sitting above the zero line. So we could get another green dot above this zero line, which typically leads to two large positive price moves for Ethereum. Looking at market cipher B for Ethereum, we have a similar situation here like we have with Bitcoin. As soon as we got this 12-hour money flow crossover is when we got this major pump from Ethereum. And looking at the daily money flow, it is honestly looking much, much better than Bitcoin's. However, it is still a ways away from this zero line. This is the kind of money flow you like to see. Very curved, short, goes deep into the negative and then immediately curves back up. If we get this daily money flow crossover from Ethereum, especially in the next couple days with what is happening on August 4th, the London hard fork upgrade, if those two things coincide, we could see a rally here from Ethereum in the short term. And on the 10-minute for Ethereum, it looks like we could be getting set up for some more upward action. We're looking pretty positive on the bull side here. Nice anchor, trigger wave, money flow moving up to the positive direction. And the RSIs are showing oversold for Ethereum on the 10-minute, suggesting to me that we probably won't break this trend line just yet. Okay, so moving over to the news stories. Binance to wind down derivatives in Europe. Users in some European countries will be unable to open new derivatives positions effective immediately. Binance's regulatory woes worsened Friday as Malaysia ordered it to halt operations in the country. Separately, the cryptocurrency exchange said it's planning to wind down futures and derivatives products across Europe, starting with Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands. So if you are a European trader and you use Binance, this news might concern you. However, there are alternatives. You could simply move over to Phemex or Bybit. By the way, if you're looking to sign up for a new Bybit account, you can use my link down in the description. We both get a small bonus, as well as you have the opportunity to claim a large deposit bonus when you first deposit Bitcoin into your account. If you are not a European trader, then this news is simply more regulatory FUD. You got to understand that these shots at crypto are timed. They are for a reason. They are to discourage people from becoming involved in it at the best possible times. It is not a coincidence that the FUD comes out in the wake of possibly the most profitable times for Bitcoin, crypto, etc. It seems like they try to fill us with uncertainty right before the things that we are certain about are bound to happen. When you start to think about these FUD articles as counter-trading signals, I feel it's overall beneficial. It's hard to straight up ignore them, but when you think about it critically, why would they be wanting to limit derivatives trading? It is not because they don't want people to lose money, because they genuinely don't care about that. It's because they want less leverage on the market, so those that are trading have bigger sway over the market. You have to understand that they have a motivation to what they do. Alright guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If at any point you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and turning on my post notifications. And I will see you all tomorrow for my next video. Peace out, everybody.